Hello, I'm Dr. Stephen Cohen, and I want to invite you to join me on October 21st at 8 p.m. Eastern Time for my talk entitled Prescribing Prosperity, Diversifying Income for a Resilient Medical Career. This session is designed for physicians at every stage of their career, especially young doctors who are navigating the new realities of modern medicine. You have invested years of training and often significant debt into becoming a physician. But let's be real. The financial world for doctors has changed. Reimbursements are shrinking, student loans are rising, and healthcare economics are shifting faster than ever. That's why it is so important to think beyond just your clinical paycheck. This is not about leaving medicine. It's about strengthening your future by developing multiple streams of income. You gain stability, you reduce stress, and even open doors to rediscover the passions outside of the hospital or clinic. In this session, I will share why diversification matters, practical ways you can start building financial resilience, and how to take control of your career so you can thrive, not just survive, as a physician in 2025 and beyond. So please mark your calendars, October 21st, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, and don't wait. Sign up today to secure your spot. I look forward to seeing you there.